Hello everyone, this is Saskia Agan from Creating with Pure Designs. Today I come to show you an amazing pair of glasses I got from the company Firmoo. Okay, they are in here. I'm going to show you how amazing they look, and I'm also going to show you how you can order yours with a 50% off coupon. Stay with me. Okay, these are the glasses. These are sunglasses. But the thing is, they are prescription sunglasses. So with a prescription of your regular glasses, like this one here, I was able to order these ones from Firmoo. Okay, let's check them out. Look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful they are. Look at the side and the other side. Look at that. And this is kind of like clear. And this is cheetah. Cheetah print. And look at that. Look how amazing they are. And these come in different colors. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can order yours, okay? Even if you don't order this same style, there are other ones that you can order. And don't forget, I have a 50% off coupon for your frame. So if your frame is like $30, you will pay $15. Order your sunglasses from Firmoo. These are amazing. They are just like my prescription glasses, but they are like a little bit dark, so I can wear them outside. Stay tuned for the video where I'm going to show you how you can order yours. Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your Firmoo sunglasses. I will leave the link for you down there and the discount code for 50% off your frame. Amazing deal. When you click on the link, you will come here, you will see this place here, and then you can scroll down. Okay, scroll down and then you can choose your glasses. They show you here prescription sunglasses. Amazing, I'm telling you. Polarized one, like with the color over it, and photochromic sunglasses. That means automatically adjust to changing light condition, darkening sunlight and stuff. So like when you're outside, it will turn into sunglasses. When you're inside, it will become clear again. Darken in sunlight and lighten indoor. Okay, let's go down here. Let's go down. You have magnetic clip on. That means you have your glasses, like your clear prescription glasses, and when you go outside, you can clip on the sunglasses part on it. It has magnets on the side, and you can clip it on. It goes like click. Okay, you can click on here and check the different ones that they have. One frame, endless looks. Like you can have these glasses, and then you can put this on it. You can put yellow or this one. Amazing opportunity. You can change your glasses all the time. You see this girl here? And then she puts them on. Amazing. But this will also be your glasses, like clear, and then you can put this one on. Okay, the clip-on glasses. Okay, now we are back here. I'll show you how I ordered my glasses. You can scroll down and check which one is your favorite, like the one you love. I'll show you the one I have. I love it. This one here, this is the one I have, DT17660. Let's go in. This is the price of the frame, but with my code you will get 50% off of the frame. Okay, in here you have different frames. Okay, let's go to this one. It's the black. Okay, we see it here. It's the black. We have this one here. You can choose from it too. And this one also another color. And this one here, amazing. Look at this. And this one and this one. This one is the one I have. I love it. Okay, so I check this one, like, and then I'm gonna select my lenses. Okay, and then you will have to fill out your prescription in here. The prescription that you get from the doctor, you fill it out in here. Okay, all these things, you put them in the right place. You can put your name in, and then you can confirm it. Okay, confirm it, and then you're gonna check which one you want to have. Glass, tint free, glass sunlight without gradient tint, sunglasses that feature stylish tint, the darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. You can choose it too. You get mirror tint from both styles, polarized sunglasses that reduce intensity of light and provide a comfort vision for outdoors activities. Photochromic lenses, light adjusting lenses that remain clear indoors but darken automatically in bright sunlight. So all the things that you choose will be added to the price. They will be added to it. Let's say we choose this one, okay, and it asks you here a color if you want it like this or if you want it dark. You can choose which one, if you want black or brown, and then you can confirm it, select lens thickness here, whatever you want, super flex. Let's say we go with super flex, and then you can add it to the cart. If you have questions, you're not so sure what you're doing, you can chat with them. Okay, you can click on here and chat with them, and then you can add it to your cart. After you add it to your cart, it will give you a summary of what you have written down, everything here, and proceed to checkout. Okay, and when you are here, you can put in your code, the code that I give you down there. Make sure you write it the same way it is, AOMX50. And you see, look at this. This is crazy, crazy, crazy. This is crazy. The price of the frame is $39. You will pay $19.50. And look at the price here. This is crazy. This is crazy. And after that, you will pay $5 shipping. If you want priority, you choose this. Okay? And then you fill out all your information. If you want, you can pay with PayPal. This is crazy. Pay with PayPal. And then within 3 weeks, you will get your glasses. Don't play, jump on this, don't play. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But also, you can chat with these people and they will talk to you, they will give you information, they will guide you. Don't forget to check it out. Get your glasses. These glasses are chic. People will compliment you, they will help your eyes, you will look good, you will feel confident. Get on it. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions.